Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Wherever or whatever time you're watching this, thank you for watching. I'm Eli, and we're back with another Monday Memo. I have some new things to discuss, so let's get into it. Ready to help make a difference in the community? Well, we have an opportunity for you. On June 8th, Community Relations is partnering with Habitat for Humanity Volunteer Day at 2 locations, the Ridge at Sand Creek Build site and the Restore South. There are morning and afternoon shifts available at both locations. Space is limited for each shift, and they fill up fast. If you want more information or want to sign up to volunteer, please click the links below.
Any volunteers?
NAR is updating the information on Facts.Realtor all the time. New practice changes are underway, and it is important to know what changes are about to happen. Facts.Realtor is a wealth of information available at your fingertips.
Not your literal fingertips.
They have everything you want to know about the settlement and how it may affect you and your clients. I encourage you to check out the settlement FAQ section where it answers the questions every realtor wants to know.
What do they want to know?
For example, one of the questions asked is, what MLS policies have changed? Part of the NAR settlement is an agreement to require MLS participants working with buyers to enter written agreements with them before touring a home.
Something magical and full of wonder.
It's called a contract.
The practice change requiring written agreements with buyers is triggered by 2 conditions. It only applies to MLS participants working with buyers and is triggered by touring a home. What does it mean to tour a home? Touring a home is when the buyer and the MLS participant or another agent at the direction of the MLS participant that is working with the buyer enter the house. This includes providing a live virtual tour to a buyer who is not physically present. Written buyer agreements are required before the buyer tours a home that is listed for sale on the MLS. A home means a residential property consisting of not less than 1 nor more than 4 residential dwelling units.
I try not to dwell.
Don't forget to read the 16-page special supplement from REALTOR Magazine that NAR provided, which includes a timeline of key milestones in the NAR settlement.
There are a lot of pages here.
Tips for communicating with buyers and sellers, and ideas for starting your own list that captures the many ways you serve your clients.
You've been served.
Nearly 1 in 4 consumers say that they were targeted by fraud attempts during the real estate closing process. Safeguarding your clients and your business is paramount in today's digital age. Mark your calendars for May 17th. Instructor Sean Blumenhein will be teaching the class Cybersecurity in the Realtor World from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. In this class, you will delve into critical topics such as viruses, ransomware, and stolen credentials. The class is $40 for members, and you will receive 4 CE credits. If you are interested in this course, sign up in your member portal.
Sign up now.
Well, that's all I got for this Monday Memo. Thank you for watching, and be sure you are subscribed so you can stay up to date with not only Monday Memos, but other awesome content such as podcasts and community updates. Until next time, peace.